Today, we're talking about the superstars of the produce aisle, green leafy vegetables. We're not just talking about a side of steamed spinach here. These nutritional powerhouses are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can seriously upgrade your health. We're talking about boosting your heart health, protecting your vision, even helping you manage stress. And yes, we'll also be talking about how they can help you shed those extra pounds. Throughout this video, we'll break down the science behind these benefits and give you practical tips on how to incorporate more leafy greens into your daily routine. Because let's be honest, sometimes choking down a salad just doesn't cut it. So, whether you're a veggie enthusiast or just starting to explore the world of healthy eating, stick around because this video is packed with valuable information you won't want to miss. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about your heart. It's the engine that keeps you going, so keeping it in tip-top shape is crucial. And guess what? Green leafy vegetables can be your secret weapon. One of the key ways they do this is through their impressive potassium content. You see, potassium is an electrolyte that plays a vital role in regulating your blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease, and leafy greens can help keep it in check. Think of potassium as a natural way to relax your blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily. Now, I know what you're thinking. How much potassium do I actually need? Well, the recommended daily intake for adults is around 4,700 milligrams. And luckily for us, leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are loaded with it. Just 1 cup of cooked spinach packs a whopping 840 milligrams of potassium. That's almost 20% of your daily requirement. So, by incorporating these greens into your diet, you're giving your heart a powerful dose of support. But wait, there's more. Green leafy veggies are also packed with fiber, another nutrient that's essential for a healthy heart. Fiber acts like a sponge in your digestive system, soaking up excess cholesterol and preventing it from clogging your arteries. High cholesterol is a major contributor to heart disease, so keeping it under control is crucial. And that's where fiber comes in. By adding more leafy greens to your diet, you're essentially giving your body a natural cholesterol-lowering tool. Now, there are 2 types of fiber-soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber, found in foods like oats and beans, dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance that traps cholesterol. Insoluble fiber, found in whole grains and veggies, adds bulk to your stool and helps move things along. Leafy greens contain a good mix of both types of fiber, making them a fantastic choice for heart health. So next time you're grocery shopping, be sure to stock up on those leafy greens. Now let's talk about another heart-healthy hero, found in leafy greens, folic acid. Folic acid, also known as vitamin B9, plays a crucial role in reducing levels of homocysteine in the blood. High homocysteine levels are associated with an increased risk of heart disease, stroke, and even blood clots. Think of homocysteine as a troublemaker in your bloodstream. It can damage the lining of your arteries, making them more prone to plaque buildup. That's where folic acid steps in like a superhero, converting homocysteine into other, less harmful substances. By keeping homocysteine in check, folic acid helps protect your arteries and reduces your risk of heart problems. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are excellent sources of folic acid. So, by incorporating these greens into your diet, you're giving your heart a powerful dose of protection against this potential troublemaker. Now let's talk about the incredible antioxidant power of leafy greens. Antioxidants are like the body's natural defense system against free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to a range of diseases, including heart disease. Think of free radicals as little troublemakers that can wreak havoc on your cells, causing oxidative stress. This stress is linked to inflammation and various health problems. Leafy greens are packed with antioxidants like vitamins C and E, beta-carotene, and other powerful compounds that can neutralize these harmful free radicals. They act like scavengers, mopping up those troublemakers and protecting your cells from damage. By incorporating a variety of colorful leafy greens into your diet, you're providing your body with a diverse range of antioxidants to combat oxidative stress and support overall health. Moving on from the heart, let's talk about another important organ, your eyes. Just like your heart, your eyes need special care to stay healthy as you age. And you guessed it, leafy greens can play a starring role in protecting your precious vision. One of the key ways leafy greens benefit your eyes is through their abundance of antioxidants. Remember those free radical scavengers we talked about earlier? Well, they're especially important for protecting your eyes from damage. See, your eyes are constantly exposed to light, which can generate free radicals. Over time, this oxidative stress can damage the delicate tissues in your eyes, contributing to age-related macular degeneration, or AMD, and cataracts, two leading causes of vision loss. But fear not, leafy greens to the rescue. The antioxidants in these veggies, like lutein and zeaxanthin, act like internal sunglasses, filtering out harmful blue light and protecting your eyes from damage. Now, let's dive deeper into two superstar antioxidants found in leafy greens that deserve special recognition: lutein and zeaxanthin. These powerful compounds are like VIP guests for your eyes, specifically targeting the macula and lens. The macula is the central part of your retina, responsible for sharp central vision. It's what allows you to see fine details clearly. The lens, located behind the iris, helps focus light onto the retina. Both of these structures are crucial for clear vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin are like internal sunglasses, filtering out harmful blue light and protecting these delicate structures from oxidative damage. They act like antioxidants, neutralizing free radicals and reducing inflammation. Studies have shown that people who consume higher levels of lutein and zeaxanthin have a lower risk of developing AMD and cataracts. So by incorporating leafy greens rich in these nutrients, you're giving your eyes a fighting chance against age-related vision problems. But wait, there's more. Leafy greens are also a good source of vitamin C, another important nutrient for eye health. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the blood vessels in your eyes, including those in the retina. The retina is a light-sensitive layer of tissue at the back of your eye that converts light into electrical signals that are sent to the brain. It's essential for vision, and keeping its blood vessels healthy is crucial. Vitamin C helps strengthen the walls of blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing the risk of damage. It also plays a role in collagen production, a protein that helps maintain the structural integrity of the eye, including the cornea. Leafy greens like kale, spinach, and collard greens are good sources of vitamin C. So by including these greens in your diet, you're providing your eyes with the building blocks they need to stay healthy and function properly. Now, let's talk about how leafy greens can help slow the progression of eye diseases. As we age, the risk of developing eye conditions like AMD and cataracts increases. But the good news is that diet plays a significant role in eye health. Studies have shown that people who consume diets rich in leafy greens have a lower risk of developing these age-related eye diseases. The antioxidants, vitamins, and other nutrients in leafy greens work together to protect the delicate structures in your eyes. For example, lutein and zeaxanthin can help slow the progression of AMD by protecting the macula from damage. Vitamin C can help reduce the risk of cataracts by protecting the lens from oxidative stress. By incorporating a variety of leafy greens into your diet, you're giving your eyes the best chance of staying healthy and maintaining good vision as you age. Remember, prevention is key. Hey guys, welcome back. We're talking about the amazing benefits of green leafy veggies, and this time we're diving into how they can help relieve stress and boost your mood. You know that feeling when you're just dragging yourself through the day? Well, leafy greens might be the natural pick-me-up you need. One of the best ways to start your day off right is with a big, delicious green smoothie. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, green smoothie? That doesn't sound very appealing. But trust me on this one. When made right, they can be surprisingly tasty and incredibly energizing. Plus, they're packed with all the good stuff your body craves, especially when you're feeling stressed. Leafy greens are like little mood boosters in disguise. They're loaded with folate, a B vitamin that plays a crucial role in producing those feel-good hormones we all know and love, dopamine and serotonin. You know, those neurotransmitters that make you feel happy, motivated, and ready to take on the day. Yeah, those guys. Folate helps your brain make more of them, naturally lifting your spirits and helping you handle stress better. So, next time you're feeling overwhelmed, ditch the sugary energy drinks and reach for a handful of spinach or kale instead. Your brain and body will thank you for it. In the next section, we'll explore another incredible way leafy greens combat stress through their impressive magnesium content. All right, let's talk about magnesium. This mighty mineral is like a chill pill for your body. Leafy greens are packed with it. Magnesium plays a vital role in over 300 bodily functions. It helps relax your muscles and mind. Think of it as a natural muscle relaxant and mood stabilizer. By regulating stress hormones, magnesium helps you unwind. Load up on leafy greens for a calmer, more relaxed state of mind. Now, we've talked about how the nutrients in leafy greens can directly combat stress by boosting mood and relaxing muscles. But did you know that these powerful veggies can also protect your brain from the damaging effects of chronic stress? That's right. Leafy greens are like superheroes for your noggin, shielding it from the wear and tear of daily life. Chronic stress is no joke. Over time, it can take a serious toll on your brain health, increasing the risk of cognitive decline and even more serious conditions. But don't worry, leafy greens are here to help. They're packed with antioxidants, those powerful compounds that fight free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells, including brain cells. Think of antioxidants as little warriors, patrolling your body and neutralizing those harmful free radicals before they can cause any trouble. And leafy greens are like an army of these tiny protectors, ready to defend your brain from the inside out. By including them in your diet regularly, you're essentially giving your brain a fighting chance against the damaging effects of stress. But the brain-boosting benefits of leafy greens don't end there. Studies have shown that certain nutrients found abundantly in these green powerhouses, like vitamin K and lutein, can improve memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. So not only can leafy greens protect your brain from stress, but they can also make it sharper, faster, and more resilient. So there you have it, folks. Leafy greens are not just good for your body, they're amazing for your mind too. By incorporating these nutrient-rich powerhouses into your diet, you're giving yourself a powerful tool to combat stress and improve your overall well-being. Remember, a healthy diet is a crucial part of a healthy lifestyle, and leafy greens should be a staple in everyone's meal plan. Whether you're blending them into smoothies, sautéing them with garlic, or adding them to your favorite soups and stews, there are endless ways to enjoy the deliciousness and health benefits of leafy greens. So ditch the processed foods, reach for the greens and feel the difference. And it's not just about eating your greens when you're already feeling stressed. Making them a regular part of your diet can help build resilience against stress in the long run. Think of it as preventative medicine for your mind and body. Now that you know how powerful leafy greens can be in the fight against stress, let's move on to our next chapter, where we'll uncover another incredible benefit of these green wonders: weight loss. All right, folks, let's talk about something that's on everyone's mind. At some point, weight loss. We're always looking for healthy and sustainable ways to manage our weight. And guess what? Leafy greens are here to save the day once again. These nutritional powerhouses are not only low in calories, but they're also packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them the perfect ally in your weight loss journey. When it comes to shedding those extra pounds, calorie control is key, and leafy greens are like the MVPs of low-calorie foods. Think about it. A cup of spinach has a measly 7 calories. That's less than a single potato chip. You can literally eat a giant bowl of spinach and still consume fewer calories than a small bag of chips. But here's the best part. Leafy greens are incredibly filling. Their high fiber content helps you feel fuller for longer, preventing those pesky cravings and overeating episodes. Fiber acts like a sponge in your digestive system, absorbing water and adding bulk to your meals. This means you'll feel satisfied and content, making it easier to stick to your calorie goals. So if you're looking for a delicious and guilt-free way to fill up your plate, look no further than leafy greens. They're the ultimate low-calorie, nutrient-dense food that will support your weight loss goals without leaving you feeling deprived. Now, let's talk about a secret weapon in the fight against fat: vitamin K. This fat-soluble vitamin plays a crucial role in blood clotting, bone health, and you guessed it, weight management. Leafy greens are one of the best sources of vitamin K, making them a must-have for anyone looking to shed a few pounds. But how exactly does vitamin K contribute to weight loss? Well, research suggests that vitamin K can enhance insulin sensitivity. Insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels, and when your body becomes resistant to insulin, it can lead to weight gain, especially around the belly. By improving insulin sensitivity, vitamin K helps your body utilize glucose more efficiently, preventing it from being stored as fat. This means you're less likely to experience those blood sugar spikes and crashes that can lead to cravings and overeating. Moreover, vitamin K has also been linked to improved metabolism and increased calorie expenditure. While more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms behind these effects, the evidence so far suggests that vitamin K can give your metabolism a little boost, helping you burn more calories even at rest. We've talked about how the low-calorie and high-fiber content of leafy greens can aid in weight loss, but their benefits go far beyond just filling you up. These nutritional powerhouses can actually boost your metabolism, turning your body into a fat-burning machine. How cool is that? Leafy greens are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including iron. Iron plays a crucial role in transporting oxygen throughout your body, which is essential for a healthy metabolism. When your cells receive an adequate supply of oxygen, they can function optimally, including burning calories for energy. Moreover, leafy greens are also a good source of B vitamins, which are essential for energy production. These vitamins act as coenzymes, helping your body convert food into fuel, giving you that extra pep in your step and supporting a healthy metabolism. And let's not forget about the fiber. Fiber not only keeps you feeling full and satisfied, but it also aids in digestion and promotes a healthy gut microbiome. A healthy gut is crucial for a healthy metabolism, as it plays a vital role in nutrient absorption and energy regulation. So, there you have it. Leafy greens are not just a healthy addition to your diet, they're a weight loss secret weapon. By incorporating these nutrient-packed powerhouses into your meals, you're not only providing your body with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, but you're also boosting your metabolism and supporting your weight loss goals. Remember, sustainable weight loss is not about crash diets or depriving yourself. It's about making healthy choices that nourish your body and make you feel good from the inside out. And leafy greens are the perfect example of food that does just that. So embrace the green revolution and make leafy greens a staple in your diet. Your body will thank you for it. And now, as we wrap up this chapter, let's move on to our outro, where we'll summarize all the amazing benefits of leafy greens we've discussed today. Stay tuned. Well, folks, that's a wrap on our deep dive into the incredible world of leafy greens. We've covered a lot of ground today, from their heart-healthy benefits to their mood-boosting powers and even their ability to aid in weight loss. It's clear that these green powerhouses are nutritional superstars, deserving a prime spot on everyone's plates. Remember, incorporating leafy greens into your diet is easier than you might think. From smoothies and salads to soups and stir-fries, the possibilities are endless. Get creative in the kitchen, experiment with different flavors and textures, and find what works best for you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and information. Thanks for watching.